How to use baking soda to lose weight. Does it really work? I remember the first time I heard about how to use baking soda to lose weight. It sounded like one of those home remedies that had been passed down through generations. Could something as simple as baking soda, which I used for baking and cleaning, really help with weight loss? As someone always on the lookout for natural ways to support my fitness journey, I was intrigued. I dove deep into researching whether this common household item could actually aid in weight loss. At first, I was skeptical. I wondered, does baking soda help lose fat? The answer is that baking soda itself doesn't directly burn fat. However, what I learned was that it can play a supportive role in your weight loss efforts by helping improve digestion and reduce bloating. By creating a more alkaline environment in the body, baking soda can help balance pH levels and ease digestive discomfort. When I started incorporating small doses into my daily routine, I noticed I felt less bloated after meals, and that subtle change helped me stay more consistent with my healthy habits. Curiosity led me to try how to take baking soda to lose weight. The most straightforward method was mixing about half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water. I drank this mix once a day, particularly after heavy meals, and found that it relieved some of the uncomfortable bloating I often experienced. So, does drinking baking soda and water help lose weight? While it won't directly melt away the pounds, it can certainly aid digestion and make you feel lighter. Two factors that contribute to feeling healthier overall. Thank you for watching our channel, by the way. Liking the weight loss tips so far? Great! Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so we know to keep making content like this to help you with your weight loss goals. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. As I continued experimenting, I came across the popular combination of how to use baking soda and lemon juice for weight loss. This mixture was a refreshing addition to my mornings. I'd squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass, add a bit of baking soda, and drink it on an empty stomach. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, added a zesty flavor and energy boost to the drink. For me, this combination felt like a cleansing ritual, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Many people wonder, what do you mix with baking soda for weight loss to enhance its benefits? Beyond water and lemon juice, some also recommend mixing it with apple cider vinegar, or even green tea. I found that the simplicity of water or lemon juice worked best for me. On occasion, I'd add a drizzle of honey to soften the taste, making it more enjoyable. What I learned through all this is that while baking soda can support your efforts, it's essential to combine it with a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, and regular physical activity. Before we reveal the next hot tip, just a polite reminder that there are resources in the description box below that you can click on that can help you speed up your getting slimmer body goals starting today. Make sure to check them out after the video so you can start seeing a better looking body in no time. Now on to the next tip. It's also important to know how to take baking soda to lose weight safely. Too much baking soda can upset your stomach or lead to other side effects, so moderation is key. In my experience, a small amount, half a teaspoon mixed with water or lemon juice, was all I needed. For those with certain health conditions, like high blood pressure, it's always best to consult with a doctor before adding baking soda to your routine. Understanding how to use baking soda to lose weight isn't about expecting miraculous results overnight. Instead, think of it as a small addition to your wellness toolbox. It can help support digestion, reduce bloating, and create a sense of lightness when used in moderation. From experimenting with different combinations to finding the right balance for your body, it's a simple, inexpensive option that may complement your weight loss journey. So if you're curious to try it, start small, listen to your body, and remember that baking soda is only one piece of the larger puzzle. Watch next video now for more easy weight loss hacks.